Welcome to all my dear students. Here we are going to learn one important concept which occurs inside the cell of living organism, but we are making visible with the help of animation. In this lecture, we are learn about two important learning outcomes. Dear friends, which these are two learning outcomes? Number one, to know the types of cell division, and second one is to study the mitosis and its stages. So dear friends, let's start here. First, we are define what is mean by cell division. Cell division is the process by which parent cell divide and forming two daughter cell. Look at the picture. From one parent cell, they are forming two daughter cell. Also, dear friends, how many ways cell division works in living organism? Let us one example. There is a injury on fingers. Is it repair? Yes, definitely. In that case, only because of cell division, injury can be repaired. Dear friends, cell division responsible for following factors: repair of cell and tissue, replacement of damaged cell, growth of the cell, as well as reproduction of the living organism. So dear friends, once again we are discussing one example which depends upon growth. You are looking, there is a girl. That girl, baby girl, growing gradually. But how it is possible? Because of mitotic cell division, that is called as a growth of the cell. So dear friends, we are going to discuss in this topic what is exactly cell division and which are the important types. The first one is mitosis. Before that mitosis, actually cell division begins with interphase. Mitosis is the type of cell division by which a single cell divides in such a way that it produces two genetically identical daughter cell. Mitosis, dear friends. Second one is meiosis. First of all, we are discussing what about mitosis. Mitosis occurs in somatic cell as well as stem cell. When we are looking to that picture, some organs like as brain, heart, liver, kidney, etc. are growing because of only mitotic cell division. So dear friends, the second one is called meiosis. What about meiosis? In meiosis, it is called germ cell or sex cell. In the sperm or sex cell, there are male chromosome. From male, that are called sperm, and eggs are ovum which are getting from female. You are looking in that picture. Dear student, but we are going to discuss what exactly here. We are concentrating only the different stages of mitosis and how cell division takes place. So, mitosis occurs in two stages. First one is karyokinesis, second one is cytokinesis. Karyokinesis having four phases. These are called prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and fourth one is the telophase here. And dear friends, first of all we are discussing what about karyokinesis. Karyokinesis means nucleus division. See there in the picture, there is a nuclear going to divide. And second stage is called cytokinesis. Cyto means cytoplasm and kinesis means once again division. So here what happens? Cytoplasm divide and two daughter cells are formed. All these things, dear friends, we are discussing with the help of four phases, one after one. So let us start here, dear friends. The first phase of this mitosis is prophase. What happens in prophase? We are going to discuss with the help of animation. In the first phase of mitosis, you are looking, there is a nuclear membrane, centroile, nucleolus, and chromosomes are also seen, but these chromosomes are in a thread-like structure. Now, these chromosomes get condensed. Listen, condensation of basically thin thread-like chromosomes starts. Due to that, they become short, thick, and they start appear along with their sister chromatid. After then, centroile duplicate. Means one centroile duplicate and each centroile moves towards the opposite pole of the cell. And dear friends, in the prophase, nucleolus as well as nuclear membrane start to disappear. And then the next phase is here, that is called metaphase. What about metaphase? In metaphase, nuclear membrane as well as nucleolus completely disappear. See there is no sign at all. Chromosomes complete their condensation here. All chromosomes are arranged parallel to the equatorial plane in the, that is called as the central plane of the cell. And finally, special type of flexible protein. How they are flexible proteins are moving. These are formed between centromere of each chromosome and each centroile. Up to that, this is called metaphase. The third phase is anaphase. What happened here? In anaphase, centromere split and thereby sister chromatids are separated. See there, friend, how the centromere split and then they are pulled apart in opposite direction with the help of spindle fiber. That spindle fiber make them separated along with their daughter chromosome. See dear friends, how they are apart from each other, and chromosomes being pulled appear like bunch of bananas. These are look like exactly bunch of banana. See there is a banana and the picture of these chromosomes also look like exactly bunch of banana. And here what happened dear friends, anaphase is completed. The fourth stage is telophase. What happened in the telophase? In the telophase, chromosomes which have already reaches at opposite pole now start to decondense. Means they again become thread-like and thin as well as invisible. See how they become thin and invisible. And now nuclear membrane is forms around each set of chromosomes reached at the pole, and two daughter nucleae are forms in a cell, as well as nucleolus appears in each daughter cell and spindle fiber completely disappear. In this way, karyokinesis is completed, and dear friends, the last, that is cytokinesis, begins now. What happened in cytokinesis? Cytoplasm divide here, and cytokinesis by two new cells are formed that are called daughter cell. In this process, notch is going to form. How the notch is forming? Look at that picture. That notch is forms equatorial plane and which deepens gradually, and here two new daughter cells are formed. And in this case of plant cell, instead of notch, a cell plate is formed exactly along the midline of the cell, and thus the cytokinesis is completed. In this way, mitotic division took place. In the next lecture, we will look over the next concept, meiosis, in detail. Dear students, here conclude my lecture. Thank you so much.